Okay guys, we got here is a D40 Navara. The outside door handle on this rear door stopped working. It's a pretty common problem. Looking at the internet, YouTube, etc., the cause for this nearly always is the cable here. You can see the white part where it's broken in between the thicker part of the white collar and the black rubber coated part. It's supposed to be joined together there. So what I've done to fix it quickly, because this is what isn't covered in some cases. So what you really need to do to fix it properly is to replace this cable, but to fix it quickly, this is the part where it goes into. So this is the actual outer door handle mechanism on the inside. The ball goes into there and the cable sits in this slot, and at the top there it'll pop out if that part's broken, because that's what normally holds it in. It's clipped into this round bit here. So what we're going to do is put the door handle here. There's two holes there I've drilled. What I tried doing there was putting a cable tie across there to hold the rubber grommet part of the cable into that big slot there, but it didn't work because the cable was still able to pop out and sort of jam up on this side, which actually meant that the door wouldn't latch shut. So what I've now done, you can see there's two smaller holes here. I have 3D printed this, which is going to be a clip that's going to go basically over the top of this like that, and that will then screw down onto the door handle mechanism and hold that thing in place. So it has a slot in it that faces the opposite way to the slot when it's assembled on this one. So it'll sort of work like that. So I'll put it together. We'll see how that looks. So there we go. That's all assembled. One thing I did have to check was that the length of that screw on the left there, that it doesn't interfere with this lever, which it doesn't. That's good. And that should hold the cable in place such that it can't now pop out and jam up the mechanism. Put it all back together. So the STL file I'll make available in the description for anyone who wants to download it. Okay, that's installed now. So let's see how it works. So previously, when that cable popped out of place, you'd shut the door once, and you'd open it again, it'd be popped out of place now, and it wouldn't shut again. But now it's working. So it both opens and stays shut.